Yes, please.
Application item number 19 was on behalf of the council for the appellate, laid on that mark. It is in this for the getting the right for this determined request. Really, this is going to come out of the tribute solution.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the appellant and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks on the ground that the learned counsel for the appellant is indisposed. Prayer is allowed. Listed record. Okay.
I think the condition item number 20.
Item number
20. On behalf of the claimant respondent BN Sharma, Lordship. Lordship, he's out of station, Lordship. He's not keeping well.
BN Sharma.
Lordship. So if this matter can come up after 2 weeks.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. B. N. Sharma, the Learned Council for the
Claimant responded.
claimant respondents, and seeks adjournment of the case for
3 weeks.
3 weeks on the ground that Mr. B. N. Sharma is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Most obliged, Lordship.
Yes, please. 22.
Yes, but this fixed today.
Yes,
The last date, your lordship was gracious enough to allow us to avail 2 options.
yes.
However, we have informed the petitioner, but we are unable to ascertain as to which option.
Yes.
With the condition, okay, we are here to be praying for some more time.
Yes, but I want to recuse myself from this case.
Lordship.
So we'll list it before any other. Okay. Listed before any other bench without me. Okay.
Lordship.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 13 from the hearing list, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the issue relates to retrospective regularization, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship is aware that there are 2 conflicting judgment has been passed from this bench, and then the state has filed an appeal, Your Lordship. So in the interest of justice, Your Lordship, this matter may be listed after some time, Your Lordship.
You, on the prayer of MS Inaoli, the Learned Government Advocate, listed after 4 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
I think we can mention item number 18, Lordship. 18.
1-8.
Yes, Lord.
Huh.
Lordship, the leading counsel is from Gauhati, Lordship.
Okay.
So he's in-
Who is the leading counsel?
M. Das Gupta.
His name is not reflected.
Yes, Lordship.
Why? No.
He's not applying his name in the CIS. Otherwise, his name is in the public.
Okay. Your name is Meadow, correct?
Yes.
Mr. Yes, what is your prayer?
Consider prayer to this matter in cover on 5th of November.
5th of November. Mr. Meadow Vero makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
M. Das Gupta.
So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the appellant, and seeks adjournment of the case on 5/11/2024.
Yes, my
Okay.
lord. Lordship, if my
Prayer-
name can, I have been
Yes.
appointed as amicus for
Prayer is
respondent
allowed?
number 2. If my name can kindly be reflected
Listed
in the cause
accordingly.
list.
You are amicus for
Respondent number 2, Lordship.
the name of Mr. Sinti Younger, Learned amicus curiae for the respondent number 2 shall be reflected in the daily cause list. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes,
One,
hearing?
one. Lordship, here the other day I made a mention that the Lordship was engaged in the previous round of litigation. However, I could not assist the court, which order is reflected. So
What?
in the previous occasion, I made a mention that Lordship cannot take this
Ha,
case since the Lordship was engaged in the previous. round of
Secretary to the
litigation.
government of
Yes.
Nagaland, Los Sokoto.
If your Lordship may kindly say,
Ah. Okay, this is connected case,
yes, yes.
WPC 30K. Okay. Los Sokoto, Rimero. This is item 22, item 21. Yes, you're right. Listed before any other bench without me. Okay.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, 15, 16, and 17. If this matter will come up after 2 weeks.
what is the matter about?
Lordship, regarding scale of your lordship.
Uh,
Lordship, Lordship, the civil was filed by the state before they undergo the court, Lordship. Regarding the minimum scale of pay,
huh,
it's been dismissed, Lordship, on 24/6.
huh.
So if the matter may be fixed out after vacation, Lordship.
If it is gone, then you are gone. No committee, nothing.
Lordship,
If your appeal before the state is dismissed by the Supreme Court, we go by that, not by your committee's finding.
Lordship.
Okay, so we give you 2 weeks time.
Lordship,
After the vacation, we list it. Okay,
Lordship.
be ready with the purse. On the prayer of MS Pichano, the learned government advocate, listed again for hearing on.
In the third, 24th, Lordship.
On 24/10/2024. Okay, tell
Lordship.
your government. That Supreme Court has dismissed, so the court is telling the government lawyers to get ready with the purse, okay? To pay them.
I pledge.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention, hearing item 11, lordship.
Yes, please.
1 of 2018.
Haha,
Lordship, I'd like to mention on behalf of my senior Ajo.
is okay.
Lordship, I pray if your lordship be gracious to refix this after 2 weeks, lordship.
After
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Mr. Your
Week was out.
Vikoza, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Azo, the learned counsel for the appellant, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much.
Motion, item number 1.
Please, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, this is the petition for appointment of arbitrator. My lord, may kindly see annexure 2.
that's with
The- That's right, my lord.
Okay, we issue notice. We issue
Yes.
notice at this stage, okay?
I'm so grateful.
Your good name,
Amit Parashar. Amit Parashar.
Amit?
Parashar. It is in the list.
Okay, heard Mr. Okay. Amit Parashar.
I'm
Yes,
so grateful.
learned counsel for the petitioner. The present application has been filed under section 11, clause 5, read with section 11, clause 6 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 as amended up to date for appointment of arbitrator. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Kiangami, you are there?
Lordship, all responses, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Kiangami, the learned senior government advocate, appears for all the respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned senior government advocate within,
As my lord, say, as my lord, say.
no, when
Within-
can you serve the copies, requisite copies?
Within week, my lord, within 1 week.
Within a period of 7 days from today. Okay.
Please,
Okay.
my lord. I'm so grateful.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes, what is this? IA.
Which should be IA 28 is filed by the nephew of the late appellant, and IA 48 is been filed by the stepson of the late appellant.
Who has filed the IA?
Yes, there are 2 IAs here.
This IA 48, what is this for?
48
Here in these 2 IAs,
Ah.
there is a dispute as to who should be substituted as the legal representative.
Who should be?
Substituted as the legal representative to the deceased appellant in the regular second appeal.
Well,
Now
why that issue?
By order
one IA has been
1960.
filed by the nephew claiming to be the sole
One
representative
by the nephew, the other by
by
the
the son.
So obviously it is the son,
Yes.
My lord.
But
if we go by that degree.
Yes, but the district court has given a contrary finding to that. Now the matter is placed before the Sovereign Court to decide on that question.
Only on that issue,
Yes.
only on the issue
On
as
the- on the
to,
issue, because of that only the IA is coming, the 2 IAs.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lord, district court, district judge has given the findings by order dated, 22/11/2023. And lordship, in fact, on the first occasion on 19/6/2023, lordship, this honorable court directed the district court to take the recourse as to who will be
To
the
take,
recourse of, as to who will be the substitute, who will be the legal representative. So as per the direction of this honorable court by order to the 22/11/2023, lordship, the district court, district judge has gave its finding that the appellant in the IA, the applicant in the IA 28 should be the legal representative. Lordship.
Who is the applicant in the IA?
The nephew. Lordship.
The nephew. And you're for the son.
I'm the father. I'm
Yeah.
the sole respondent in both the IS.
You are the father.
I'm the father of the son and the ex-husband of the deceased appellant.
You are the father of the son and
The ex-husband of the deceased
the
appellant.
ex-husband of the.
Deceased appellant.
No, the dispute is between the husband and wife. The wife expired during the pendency of the regular second appeal. First application was filed with the nephew claiming to be the representative and to be substituted. In the meantime, the son also filed his application claiming to be the representative. Now, because of the dispute, the Honorable Court had referred the matter to the district judge. The judge was taken, and the finding was recorded saying that the nephew should be represented.
On what ground? What was the reason,
On
ma'am?
very flimsy, untenable grounds.
Lordship, in fact, the son is not the biological son of the late.
No, Lordship, it is not mentioned in the.
Wait, just wait, let me.
He's the stepson.
He's the stepson.
The stepson of the appellant.
That is not recorded in the finding, Lordship.
So what about the father? The father is still alive.
Yes.
Why not, to resolve all this, why not the father come into the picture?
The
Father is
the
the
respondent.
respondent in the main appeal.
As well as in both the IS, Lordship.
Let me just see. I think we could make a very good film. Yes. Good. Who is this Khutoli?
This is the
This is the appellant. Oh, she is no more. She has expired.
yes.
So in her place, the son and the nephew, they are
Yes,
struggling.
yes.
And who is P.V. Aomi?
It's
No, ex-husband of
the ex-husband of the late appellant.
So why don't you both contest?
Lordship, I'm going, kindly grant me 2 weeks' time to file written objection against the report of the district and sessions court, Lordship.
Leonard Council, this is 2020.
Lordship, the report came only few months back, Lordship.
Then you are in favor of whom? The son.
Lordship.
You are in favor of the son.
District court did before finding that.
Yes. Now it is between this case was originally filed between the wife and the husband.
Yes,
So the wife expired.
yes.
So the fight is between the nephew and the son.
As to who should.
And your claim is that the son is not a biological son. Okay. So you want to file a
Written objection.
application on behalf of? Written application to what?
Written objection against the report of the district judge Dimapur on the issue of.
That is, have you enclosed that? District judge.
Yes.
Lordship, the report has been sent.
That report is annexed in your application?
No, Lordship,
It should be in
by
the
the-
file.
Should be in the file.
It should be in the file.
Yes.
When is that order dated?
22/11/2020.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes. It is not there on record. I don't know, just wait. Whether this is. Is it this? No, it is not there on record. There. What is the subject matter?
Yes.
It's a claim over a plot of
Land.
Yes.
Regular. This is LCR. Where is, which is that order dated?
22/11.
22/11. 22/11,
Your Lordship will find it at page 8, running page 8 of the report sent by the district court.
page 8 of the report. Page 8. Okay, 22/8. Okay, this is one. And Mr. L. Iralu, you are for the respondent.
For the applicant in IA 48. For the son.
Okay, you are for the son.
Yes. And against the finding of the district court, I've also filed my objection.
Okay. You are the nephew.
I'm the father, Lordship.
You are the father. You also want to file objection
Lordship,
against this finding?
against this finding. Lordship.
Lordship, if a date may be fixed and then in the meantime, you can file an objection on that.
Yes, 22. Okay. So you are not like you are out of the picture now.
As
You
of-
filed your application.
And unless.
Yes.
either the nephew or the
So you
son-
want to file objection to this? And madam, you are in favor of this? This, okay. Mr. Your good name?
CD rooms, Lordship.
C.D. Rongson. The learned counsel for the
Sole respondent in both the IS.
sole respondent in both the IAs submits that he may be allowed 3 weeks' time. Correct? To file objection to the order dated 22/11/2023 passed by the learned principal district and session judge Dimapur, Nagaland in what? In IA 28/2023
Yes, it is 2 IS.
and ISC 48/2023. Prayer is allowed? Listed accordingly.
It's a nice.
For admission, item number 3.
Keep this properly, okay? Yes.
We are yet to file our affidavit in opposition against the contempt action. Since the principal counsel is out of station for his medical treatment,
Okay.
kindly grant us 2 weeks' time, Lordship. File the same.
This is criminal contempt,
This is civil
or
contempt.
civil contempt.
But this contempt is arising out of this item number 2, one which we have written up.
Same issue.
While the matter was pending, the respondent they have started developing with the suit area lodging. So we have filed this contempt petition.
Okay.
Though there was status quo lodging, they have started developing.
If that is so, you instruct your party not to violate the status quo. Okay, or else this court may not find it very pleasant. So what is your prayer
Grant us 2 weeks' time, Lordship. to
for
file- to file
filing affidavit in opposition?
Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the sole respondent. 6/4, 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Nice, Lordship.
For admission, item number 4.
Yes, Mr. Iralu.
In this matter, I filed an ID for condemnation of delay, connected in connection with the civil living petition. I also received an objection this morning filed by the sole respondent.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
63 days.
Yes, Lordship.
We allow.
Lordship, I have grounds to object, so I filed the objection this morning.
63 days, I think. Why are you trying to avoid a merit? Hmm? You file your objection to this.
Yes, Lordship.
What's your
I filed
objection?
this morning.
May not have, since they filed.
Okay.
The matter can be fixed on 14th of October.
Your good name, ma'am?
Rovimeno,
MS so-and-so. You're the learned counsel for the
for the sole respondent.
opposite party.
Yes,
The learned counsel for the opposite party submits that he has filed written objection to the application seeking continuation of delay. Stop. The objection is, however, not on record. Stop. Registry to trace the same and place it on record. Listed on 14/10, right? 2024. Okay.
For admission, item numbers 5 and 6.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, Lordship.
If this may come up after 1 week, lordship, I have some personal difficulty today. I've taken the consent of case. Counsel for the petitioner, appellant, lordship.
Whether paper book has been prepared?
Yes, yes, we have received, lordship.
Okay. Mr. Kiangami, the learned public prosecutor, submits that he has some personal difficulties today and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after a week. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Thank you, lordship.
For orders, item number 7.
What is this?
Don't you hear the petitioner is seeking for appointment of arbitration?
Ah,
We have issued notice to the respondent one in the amount of
who is the respondent number 1? What happens? What happened? Can you put down your mic?
We have issued the notice in the amount of the respondent one, that is the Ministry of Law Transport.
Item delivered. You are seeking appointment of an arbitrator? Then what is the role of the state, Mr. Nangami?
Lordship, in fact, earlier, when they filed these arbitration petitions, they have not implemented the Union of India. Actually, the state is just implementing their project sanctioned by the Union of India. And therefore, we have filed an affidavit raising objection. Thereafter, your lordship, they have seek this permission from this honorable court, and now they have implemented the Union of India. Your lordship, who is made as the respondent number 1. One, your lordship. So I think notice upon this respondent number 1, who is the Union of India, I think is yet to be completed.
Service of notice upon respondent number returns a tracking report of this notice upon respondent from India Post website shows item delivered. The item delivered. As A, like A. What to do now? Item delivered, none appears.
Lordship, in that case, since we have a standing counsel for union, if we may be allowed to.
No, Mr. This younger what and all, they are appointed only for specific cases. no?
Yes.
That is why,
Yes.
in fact, they should be accepting notice on behalf of all the Union of India. What to do now?
Lordship, then allow us to reissue notice, lordship. To
Hello?
register.
You take fresh steps. Okay. if we give a direction to serve to take fresh steps as well as to serve a copy of the petition to the learned CGC, I think
Yes.
it will be quite burdensome on you. Because your petition itself is quite bulky. What to do? Status file affidavit, huh?
Yes, Lordship, in fact, the presence of the Union of India is important in this case, Your Lordship. They have to.
Correct, correct. So what to do?
Lordship, in fact, we have no issue with that.
Pardon?
We'll issue the, we'll set the copy and also the notice. I will just.
To the respondent number 1. Okay, heard MS so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Anangami, the learned senior government advocate for the respondent number 2. Office note dated 26/9/2024 states that tracking report of notice issued upon respondent number 1 from India Post website shows within inverted item delivered within bracket addressee close inverted. Stop. There is, however, no representation on behalf of the respondent number 1. MS so the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she may be allowed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by registered post with AD within a period of 3 days from today. Prayer is allowed. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 within a period of 3 days from today. Listed after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes.
For orders, item number 8.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, as per order dated 12/8/2024, Lordship, passed by this honorable court, we have published in the daily newspaper on 23rd/8/2024, which I filed the affidavit this morning, Lordship.
This morning.
Lordship.
Where is that order?
If I may, Lordship.
By which order you were asked to publish?
Lordship, by order dated 12/8/2024,
12/8/2020.
Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, in
Okay.
despite of our continuous and available remedies and serving the
Who-
notice
who-
upon respondent, Lordship.
Who is this respondent to whom notice has been served? Who is this respondent?
One Mr. Nihu Mezonipu from Zubza, Lordship.
Okay, and what is his role in the case? Which respondent?
The sole respondent, Lordship.
Sole respondent,
Lordship.
Ningu Mezo.
Lordship.
Oh, he is the only respondent.
Lordship, Lordship.
What is the case about?
Lordship, we are challenging the judgment and order passed by the ADC, Section Zubza, Lordship.
Oh,
Lordship. This is particularly a land dispute.
who is this assistant to DC Zubza?
Particularly SDU, ADC. Yeah. Same role.
No, Mr. You kindly come with proper instruction, okay?
Lordship.
Next day as to whether an appeal under section 100. This is second appeal, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Regular second appeal under section 18
Lordship.
would lie against the order passed by the deputy commissioner. Okay. So your affidavit, where is your affidavit?
Lordship, I filed this morning.
This morning, okay. Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that the notice upon the sole respondent has been published by paper publication as ordered by Discord on 12/8/2024. The learned counsel, however, submits that the affidavit stating publication of the notice has been filed in the registry only this morning. The affidavit is not on record. Registry to trace the same and placed on record, listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 9.
What is this?
Screening has been facts for disposal, Lordship. Honorable my learned friend, the bring for petitioner, which is point number 1. So, Lordship, let me come up after the other listed matters, Lordship. This condemnation doesn't lie, Lordship.
Let us see. Yes, next.
For orders, item number 10.
After some time, okay. What is this? None appears for the parties on court, listed after 4 weeks.
For hearing, item number 12.
Yes, what is this?
Lordship, here the petitioner is praying for posthumous regularization. And it's a covered case.
Posthumous regularization.
Lordship.
The matter is pending in the Supreme
No,
Court.
no, that is different.
But-
The present case is covered by Nishivi, the principal
And
letter on Nishivi case.
that case which is.
That relates to ex post facto.
Oh, same.
Your Lordship, based on the Nishivi case, this court has already passed an order and it squarely covered the present case, Your Lordship. May kindly
No,
peruse it.
but when actually again, the connected cases are still.
Nishivi is still in force, Your Lordship. It's not same, Your Lordship.
Under which OM you're claiming your regularization?
Under the CCS mentioned in the.
No, 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 that is not applicable. Your Lordship. Mm.
You will, in order to claim your pensionary benefits, you will first have to satisfy this court that you have a right to retrospective regularization. Only if the court says that, yes, you have a right to retrospective regularization, then the question of pension will come.
Yes.
So we cannot put the cart before the bullock.
Actually, the matter can come up in just your Lordship. And if it is allowed to place supportive citations here.
Citation that Nishebi case is there.
Lordship.
But I have a little doubt as to what is the case which has been referred to the Supreme Court. Madam, have you, because actually there was two conflicting
Yes,
judgment
yes.
passed by
Yes,
division
yes.
bench of this court.
Yes, yes.
So what is the subject matter there?
That is
That-
actually
That
related
is
to
also retrospective regularization. of it.
retrospective, but during their lifetime. This is after their lifetime. That is
After death.
exposed. Yes, yes.
That is ex post facto, this is
Yes,
posthumous.
yes.
No, let's, but okay, we give you some time. You come prepared because this court maybe is not inclined,
Lordship.
but we listed after puja.
Lordship, that they fix your Lordship.
Yes, after puja, we fix a date.
Yeah.
Okay. Listed again for hearing on. We listed on 15th.
Lordship.
Right.
Okay. Come with your citations. Listed again on 15, 10, 20, 24.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 9.
Yes, Mr. Wati, your friend, Mr. Santi Younger.
Still in code number 1.
Lordship, I
So,
will, may I please, Lordship, I will instruction if this matter can come up on Thursday.
Lordship, this is short mail. Contempt is not maintainable, Lordship.
Thursday.
Yes, Lordship.
Please, the council is still engaged in court number 1. Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties. Listed again on. Kab hoga?
3rd, Lordship. Yeah, after
October. Listed again on 3/10/2024. Okay,
March.
next. Okay, hold.